In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a field in Jotform. First, log into your Jotform account. On your homepage, you'll see all the forms you've created. Hover your mouse over the form in which you want to hide a field and click on Edit Form to open it in the form builder. Inside the builder, scroll through your form to find the field you wish to hide. Click on that specific field and you'll see a small gear icon appear next to it. Click on the gear icon to open the configuration panel. Then, switch to the Advanced tab in the Settings menu. Scroll down the panel until you find the toggle switch labeled Hide Field. Turn this switch on. Once you do that, a message will appear below the field saying that it's hidden and will not be shown on the live form. Now, to test whether the field is hidden, click on the Publish tab, copy the form link, and open it in a new browser tab. When the form loads, you'll notice that the hidden field is not visible to users. If at any point you want to unhide the field, go back to the form builder, click on the same field again, open its settings, go to the Advanced section, and turn off the Hide Field toggle. Refresh the live form, and you'll see the field reappear. Now, in case your goal is not to hide a field permanently, but to show or hide fields dynamically based on the user's input, Jotform also supports conditional logic. For that, you can watch our separate video titled How to Add Conditions in Jotform. That tutorial walks you through hiding or displaying specific fields based on responses, but for standard hiding or unhiding, this is how you can manage field visibility in Jotform.